Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to watch Hotstar on Smart TV. Ensure that your Smart TV is compatible with the Hotstar app. Most modern Smart TVs support popular streaming apps like Hotstar, but it is always good to confirm. Make sure your Smart TV is connected to the internet. You can usually do this via a Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable depending on your TV's connectivity options. On your Smart TV's home screen, look for the App Store or the section where you can download and install apps. This might be called something like Apps, App Gallery, Google Play Store, or LG Content Store. Use the search function within the App Store or browse through the available apps to find Hotstar. You can type Hotstar into the search bar and press enter. Once you find the Hotstar app in the App Store, select it and then choose the option to download it and install it on your Smart TV. After the installation is complete, go back to your Smart TV's home screen and open the Hotstar app. You may need to sign in to your account or create a new one if you don't have it. Use the Hotstar app interface to browse through available content. You can search for specific shows, movies, sports, events, or genres. Once you find the content you want to watch on Hotstar, select it and choose the option to play it. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Hotstar directly from your Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.